Some people feel different their whole life. But sometimes, that difference is not weakness, it is a rare personality beginning to show. Sign 1, you think deeply about your own behavior. You do not just react, you try to understand why you feel and act the way you do. Sign 2, you are comfortable with silence. You do not need constant noise, messages, or attention to feel okay. Sign 3, people often open up to you. Your calm energy makes others feel safe, even when you say very little. Sign 4, you do not follow the crowd blindly. You can choose your own path, even when it feels uncomfortable. Sign 5, your curiosity never really turns off. You enjoy learning, connecting ideas, and asking questions most people ignore. Sign 6, you have strong boundaries. You can care about people without letting them control your peace. Sign 7, you feel things deeply, but you try to understand those feelings instead of hiding from them. That emotional depth is powerful. A rare personality is not about being better than others. It is about being self-aware enough to live with intention. So if these signs feel familiar, do not shrink yourself to fit in. Your difference may be the exact thing that helps you grow.